Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video on This Happens When You Take Coconut Oil Every Day. Coconut oil has been hailed as a superfood with numerous health benefits. But what actually happens when you incorporate it into your daily routine? Let's dive in and explore. Coconut oil is packed with healthy fats, particularly medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These fats are easily absorbed and used by the body for energy. Unlike long-chain fatty acids found in many other oils, MCTs go straight to the liver, where they are used as a quick source of energy or turned into ketones, which can have powerful benefits for the brain. One of the first things you might notice when you start taking coconut oil daily is an increase in your energy levels. The MCTs in coconut oil are metabolized quickly by the liver, providing a fast and sustained energy boost. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes or anyone looking for a natural energy lift without the crash that often follows high-sugar energy drinks. Another benefit of consuming coconut oil daily is its potential to support weight loss efforts. The MCTs can increase feelings of fullness, helping you eat fewer calories overall. Additionally, some studies suggest that MCTs can boost metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories even at rest. By incorporating coconut oil into your diet, you might find it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Daily intake of coconut oil can also contribute to improved heart health. It helps increase levels of good HDL cholesterol while reducing levels of bad LDL cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of heart disease. By improving your cholesterol profile, coconut oil can play a role in maintaining a healthy heart. The MCTs in coconut oil are not only a quick source of energy for the body but also for the brain. Ketones produced from MCTs can provide an alternative energy source for the brain, which may be particularly beneficial in conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Regular consumption of coconut oil can help enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and provide overall brain health support. Applying coconut oil to your skin can significantly improve its health and appearance. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can help hydrate dry skin, reduce inflammation, and treat skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. Its antimicrobial properties also help protect the skin from infections. By applying coconut oil regularly, you can achieve smooth, glowing skin. Using coconut oil on your hair can also yield significant benefits. It can help reduce protein loss in both damaged and undamaged hair, making it stronger and less prone to breakage. Coconut oil can also promote hair growth, add shine, and prevent dandruff. By regularly applying coconut oil to your hair, you can maintain healthy, shiny, and resilient locks. Incorporating coconut oil into your daily diet can also aid digestion. Coconut oil improves the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, calcium, and magnesium. It can help reduce symptoms of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. By supporting a healthy gut environment, coconut oil can promote better overall digestive health. Consuming coconut oil daily can help balance hormones thanks to its healthy fats. These fats are essential for the production of hormones and can support thyroid function. A balanced hormone level is crucial for many bodily functions, including metabolism, mood regulation, and reproductive health. Adding coconut oil to your diet can help maintain hormonal balance and support overall health. Coconut oil has strong antimicrobial properties due to its high lauric acid content. This makes it effective at fighting off harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. When used as part of a practice called oil pulling, swishing coconut oil in your mouth can improve oral health by reducing harmful bacteria and promoting healthy gums. These antimicrobial properties also help in maintaining overall health. Incorporating coconut oil into your daily routine is easy and versatile. You can use it for cooking due to its high smoke point, making it perfect for frying and baking. Add a spoonful to your morning coffee or smoothies for an energy boost. You can even take it directly by the spoonful. Consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is generally recommended to enjoy its benefits. While coconut oil has many benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation. Excessive intake can lead to weight gain due to its high calorie content. Some individuals might experience digestive discomfort or elevated cholesterol levels. Always start with small amounts to see how your body reacts and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Let's hear some real-life stories from people who have experienced the benefits of taking coconut oil daily. These testimonials can provide inspiration and insight into how coconut oil can positively impact various aspects of health and well-being. Incorporating coconut oil into your daily routine can bring numerous health benefits, from increased energy to improved skin and hair health. Remember to use it in moderation and enjoy the positive changes it brings to your life. With its versatile uses and health-promoting properties, coconut oil is a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Have you tried taking coconut oil daily? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know. See you in the next video.